So the difference between a ceramic product and our PROTEC1 is a ceramic product is a lot more difficult to work with. That's why a lot of applicators are needed to apply a ceramic coating. If you make a mistake with ceramic, if you miss wiping an area off, it leaves extra residue on the boat after it hits its flash point, and it's very hard to remove. You almost have to sand it or grind it off. The traditional ceramic contain SiO2, which SiO2 basically dries the hard glass-like shell. And what happens to glass? Glass can crack from the torsion, from the stress of the movement of the boat, the flexing of the boat, where our PROTEC1 is made with rubber and vinyl. Has the same protection, durability, and longevity as a ceramic product, but this will flex and move with the boat's shell and not give you any cracks in the surface. Our PROTEC1 is very easy to work with versus ceramic. It applies easier for the user, easier for an average boater to use. It's easy to remove the residue, and it lasts just as long as ceramic when applied properly. So you may wonder why using these products is going to help you keep your boat cleaner longer. I personally use these products on my cars, on my boats, and what happens is when you use protection products, the dirt, the elements, the contaminants that are in the air, in the rain, do not stick to your boat. And if they don't stick to your boat, that's less time you have to spend cleaning and washing all the grime and all the dirt off. That's the advantage of these. So when you use the PROTEC1, this is going to give you at least 1 year protection all by itself. When you enhance this every 3 months with this, once a month with this product, which is our shampoo, this is our quick coating, you enhance the PROTEC1 with these two products, you're going to get 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 seasons out of this protection process. That's how this is supposed to work. Less time cleaning, more time protecting using these products. So before you apply our PROTEC1, you need to clean the surface with our contaminant remover, which is like a final step to applying the PROTEC1. It removes any grease, removes anything that's on the surface even after you've washed the boat. You apply this, you spray it on, you wipe it off with a towel. Then you apply our PROTEC1. This is the applicator pad that comes with the PROTEC. This is another applicator that we sell as a strap on the back, but either one of these will suffice in getting the PROTEC1 onto the surface of your boat. This product by itself will last for 1 season minimum. We've had it last longer, but this product by itself will last, again, 1 season. We sell 2 different enhancement products. Using either one of these 2 products will give you multi-season protection. The difference between the 2 of them is this is basically a shampoo that you put in a bucket, and after you've washed your boat with our boat soap, you rewash it with this. You do use this once a month. You're going to get another 3 to 4 seasons in addition to the PROTEC1. This is a product that you spray onto the surface after you've washed the boat, and using this product every 3 months will give you, again, 3 to 4 seasons worth of protection. The difference between using either one of these 2 products is your application preference. If you want to, again, wash your boat once a month with this, use this product. If you want to spray this on and wipe it off every 3 months, then you use this product. But using, again, only either one of these 2 products after you've used the PROTEC is going to give you multi-season protection. We've gotten 3 to 4 years worth of protection seasons out of the system here.